I'm going to quickly show you how to add different page number formats to the same document in Microsoft Word. Here, in this example, I want to have page numbering in Roman numerals for the first 2 pages, and I want the third page to start with regular numbers. To do that, double-click on the footer or header, and click on page number. Select top of page or bottom. I'm going to pick bottom. Pick any style you want. Now if you want to change this to Roman numerals, click on page number again, and then click on Format Page Numbers. Here, you can pick Roman numerals from this drop-down menu. As you can see, we have page numbering in Roman numerals throughout this whole document. Now let's make it so that the third page starts with its own number set. Click on the top of the page you want the different numbers to start from. Click on Layout and click on the drop-down on Breaks. Then click on Continuous. Now double-click on the footer or header. Click on Page Number, then Format Page Numbers. Here you can set the number format to Arabic numerals and set Start at to 1. Page numbering will start from 1 with a different number format on the third page of this document. Now you have 2 separate page number formats in this one document.